Okay, don't mind that. Anyways, the actual honest reaction for the third reaction is what? I don't get it. Like, huh? Like, I don't appreciate when you ship George X Dream. Like, what? Anyways, I ain't gonna argue with that because I already did. Anyways, next one.
Reading Meow's TikTok comments. Part 2. Are you homo? Meow's a fag. Meow likes all genders. Can she notice me? Wow! Meow's a fan page! Arigato, little Meowie! Can Meow make dog sounds? Whoa. Bark, bark. Does Meow have an age or a gender? Meow is cat gender! Yay! Meow, what's your favorite snack? Yasukanya o Yatsu wa kawaii pokita ramu desu. Yay! Question for Meow. Will you continue to make more songs like this? Of course! Meow plans to make many more song covers. Meowba, what's your Discord? I want to be friends! Meow tells you what. Meow will make a public Discord server when we reach 10k followers. Arigato, Woo. Reading Meow's TikTok.
Okay, I am so weirded out. Like, huh? What do you mean cat gender? Like, what? What do you mean by cat gender? What do you mean cat gender is no gender in which someone feels extremely strong to enter two cats and feeling. Huh? What? Okay, I don't really understand. Like, there's literally a cat gender? Huh? Honestly, I'll give this a literal low star for this one. So, anyways. And actually, I expect this. It's the only thing I respect. Meow's favorite snack is kawaii poco and romi. Ramui. That's supposed to be ramen. Anyways, I really like ramen and poco, so I expect that. Anyways,
Hi viewers chat! In Meow's last video, Meow said if Meow can get 10k Meowing Meow followers, then Meow will open Meow's own Meowa Discord server! Arigato for supporting Meow! This is Meow's first time running a server, so please be nice to Meow. Meow's server is very kawaii, so please join if you're kawaii too! Arigato!
nah. My god, what is that? Wait, what? Wait, let me see this. The way she said meow chat, viewer chan made me jump the roof. LOL, yeah, that would be me. Anyways, a bio, Discord server? Like, why would anyone read this? Anyways,
Meowba, you should do an answering questions on my Discord video. That is a good idea, Leafjan. Meowba, what are your opinions on gay people? Meow's a proud LGBT supporter. Meowba, what's your opinion on Fundy? Meow loves Fundy. Meow has a Fundy plushie. Let's eat Meowba and see what happens. Meowba, can you do a flip? Wish. Hi, I drew Meowba. Meow appreciates all gift art. Arigato, Amori-sama. Meowba, make a Minecraft world and let your fans take over and see the results after a week. Meow tells you what. Meow will open a week-long documented Minecraft server at 80k Tomodachis. Arigato!
what the? Like, huh? No offense, but like, what was that? Kawaii! Oh my god, what was that? Like, that was too stupid. Anyways, next video.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 2. What is Meow's height? Meow is 43 feet tall. On a scale of 2 to 9, what is your opinion on the Russian invasion on Ukraine? Meow personally believes Russia had a reason for it. Russia did what it needed to do. Could you beat Allah in a fight? Of course Meow could! Meowbla! Meow-chan! Wa watashi o aishitaimasu ka? Aww! Meow daisuki kamoshi questions, Kinsama. What are your opinions on religion? Meow is a Meowist, a part of the Meowism religion. Meow believes Meowism is the only real religion. Can I join Meowism? If you believe and pray to Meowba each night, you can become one with the Meowist. Meowba basically needs to do what did to become leader to achieve greatness. Exactly. Leading Meow.
What the? Honestly, I can't really curse. Honestly, I'm trying to keep my cool. But I'm going to try to not kill anyone. Meow Boys is the best and ever coolest. That's not even a real religion. Anyways, I am trying not to literally suck out my lungs and heart for literally watching this. I am so cringed out. Anyways, next one.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 3. Hey Meow, what's your favorite cereal? Meow Daisuki Rice Krispies. It's Meow's favorite all-time food. Meowba, what is your weight? Meow is only 10 pounds. Kawaii and small. Ooh? Meowba, can I twerk for you butt booty naked? Oh, Meowba, will you spit in my mouth? Meowba, can I follow you on Twitter? Yes! Meow's Twitter is @RealMeowba. Meowba, can you make Meowba merch? Meowba merch? Okay, Meow will be hosting a merch design contest in Meow's Discord server. Reading.
I'm gonna read this because I'm already mad.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 4. How do you make your voice so kawaii? Huh? Meow's voice is natural, Vicky-chan. How old is Meowba? Meow's over 2,000 years old. But consider Meow ageless. Celebrity crush? Ed Sheeran. Meowba, what are your thoughts on Ella? You'll be happy to hear that Meow and Ella worked out our differences. So, the Ella lovers can condemn Meowba, what's your opinion on Joe Biden's llama? Meow personally doesn't like Biden or Trump. Vote Meow for president 2002. Our motto? Let's get more pay. Reading Meow's Discord questions.
But honestly, yeah. Yes, I actually do have a celebrity crush on him. Before, okay? Remember that, okay?
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 5. Meowba.
You know what? I'm just going to just skip all of this. I'm just gonna skip all of this. Skip all of this. Where is all of the... Hate it. It's good, but good.
Reading Meow's Discord.
Okay, that's good.
Reading Meow's Discord questions.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 16. Does Meow celebrate Juneteenth? Of course.
Anyways.
honestly.
Rating it, it's hurting my brain. Well, I'm losing brain cells anyways, and you know what? Let's go on.
Reading Meow's Discord.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 18.
Yeah! I ain't reading this. I ain't reading it.
And doing this anyway, so just go over here.
Reading Meow's Discord questions, part 19. Meow, but do you still like Dream? Oh, that's a controversial question right now. Meow, we'll get back to you on that one. Are you an Ohio Skibbity Sigma with W Baby Gronk, Kai Sinat, ISO Speed Riz? Can you please stop asking these dumb fucking questions?